How can I get a great vector DXF file for my CNC cutting machine? Well, I can place it on the logic trace board and trace it out with the pen stylus. I have marked on the pattern where each of my lines, arcs, and circles are going to be, so it makes it quite easy to trace the pattern and get a great DXF vector file. Look at that. Switch into a line, switch into an arc for these corners. Just trace it with the pen stylus and save a DXF file. Got an arc here, and then a line, and then I have finished the outside. Let's do a redraw. Oh, look at that. It is perfect. Let's do some 3-point circles. Just come in here. Whoops, forgot to click 3-point circles. Just click any 3 points on that circle. It'll pop in a circle of the right diameter and location. Just trace the outline. One more. So with the logic trace system, I can trace a pattern and save a great DXF file for loading into any CNC machine. If there it is, it's great. Save the file.